Assalamu alaikum student. Today in this video we are going to study about the debentures, meaning of debenture, definition of debenture, as well as features of debenture, and we are going to see types of debentures. In this video we are going to these four topics. Now we will first see what is debenture, meaning of debenture. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is borrowed capital. As we have studied in earlier part in SP how the company collected capital through shares, and what are the shares: equity share, preference shares, as well as retained profit, that are the owner's capital. That means own capital. As we know, the capital is divided into two parts: owner's capital as well as debt capital. Owner's capital, the businessman which acquires capital from the own sources, that means from equity or from preference shares. Equity and preference shareholder are the member of the company, so their fund, their contribution is called own capital. As well as retained earning, that means whatever will reserves and profit which is earned by the firm in the previous year, that we have to distribute amongst the partner, or we can use for the further purpose of business activity. But when firm needs a funds or the capital amount from the other sources, so for company or the firm are getting the amount from the another sources, and company borrowed amount from the outsider as a borrowed capital, that is debt fund, that is called debt fund or the borrowed capital. Own capital and borrowed capital concept I hope you clear. In that, in borrowed capital we have very first is debentures. Under borrowed capital we have number of items: debentures, bonds, as well as public deposits. These are the types of borrowed fund. Here in our second chapter we have to see a debenture and types of debenture. Debenture. What do you mean by debenture? Debenture means a debt capital, or debentures are one of the principal source of raising the borrowed capital for two long-term or medium-term financial need. That means if firm or a company needs a finance and there is no scope of own capital, so for company will raise a borrowed capital for the long-term period as well as medium-term period. He issues a debentures in he offer a debenture for a general public. Once over a year, debenture have accompanied significant option in financial structure of the company. Now the term debenture has came from the word debenture comes from Latin word debere, which means to owe. That means any उधार, कोई भी चीज़ का हम लोग जैसे लोन लेते हैं, that is called उधार. So the debenture वर्ड है जो कहाँ से आया है, लैटिन वर्ड से, और वो वर्ड क्या है, डिबेर, जिसका मतलब क्या है, टू ओव, यानी किसी से उधार. Taking some amount as a loan as a liability holder, so that is the evidencing of company whether constituting a charge on asset of company or not. That means company has taken some loan against the mortgage of some assets. That means इसका सिंपल मीनिंग ये है कि कंपनी ने कहीं से उधार लिया है, वो भी अपनी असेट्स को कहीं पर क्या करके, मॉर्गेज करके कहीं पर सिक्योरिटी के तौर पे अपनी असेट्स को क्या किया, कंपनी के असेट को उसने रखा है और वहाँ से फाइनेंस को क्या किया है, यूज़ किया है. अंडरस्टूड. Now the definition by Polymer defines a debenture is an instrument under a seal evidencing that the essence its being admission of indebtedness. पॉलीमर डिफाइंस, क्या डिफाइन कर रहे हैं पॉलीमर? डिबेंचर एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट है. इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्यों कहा गया है? इंस्ट्रूमेंट मीन्स इट इज़ अ रिटर्न डॉक्यूमेंट, इट्स अ सर्टिफिकेट which can be moved, negotiable document which can move from one place to another place. Okay, and instrument under a seal that having a common seal of company, evidencing of debt, it's a proof कि we are taking a loan, debt, उधार. Okay, to essence of having being admission of indebtedness, कि हम लोग अभी उधारी में गिर गए हैं, ये क्या है, एश्योरेंस दे रहा है instrument that is called debenture. Now, I hope you clear the meaning of debenture. Debenture holder are called a debenture. The person who purchase a debenture is called a debenture holder. Who is a debenture holder? The person who purchase a debenture. The person who purchase a debenture is called a debenture holder. And when company get some amount from the other sources, so company has to issue a certificate. That certificate is called debenture certificate. It's called debenture certificate. It's the acknowledgement the company has giving amount from the person, and it will be given back at say so and so time and after so and so period, and this will be the acknowledgement by the company. Okay, under a security of some assets, acquisition of some assets. Okay, now the next topic is features of debenture. Of debenture, in that very first is promise. Promise, that means there is a promise between the two person, one who is taking a loan and the other person or the company or the debenture holder who is giving amount to the company. So there is a promise between two person. So debenture is a promise by a company. Company is giving a promise that it owes specifies some amount of money holder from the debenture. That means कंपनी क्या कर रही है, डिबेंचर होल्डर को प्रॉमिस कर रही है कि आई विल गिव योर अमाउंट आफ्टर सम पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रॉमिस. अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज प्रॉमिस? दैट मीन्स there is a mutual understanding among the company or the person who is giving amount to the company for their business activity. Okay, second point is face value. Debenture have some fixed face value. Debenture may be having a face value of 100 or more than 100. Okay, so the face value of debenture normally carries a high domination. जैसे शेयर की फेस वैल्यू होती है, बट शेयर इज अ स्मॉलेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ शेयर कैपिटल, सो शेयर प्राइस में भी 10 or 100 we have seen in the earlier topics, but debenture have the high domination amount. It is rupees 100 or the multiple of 100. 100 भी हो सकती है और 100 से ज़्यादा भी हो सकती है फेस वैल्यू. और सेम डिबेंचर कैन बी इशूड एट प्रीमियम, कैन बी इशू एट पार और कैन बी प्रीमियम. कंपनी जैसे चाहे वैसे डिबेंचर को क्या कर सकती है, इशू कर सकती है, बट डिबेंचर हैज सम फेस वैल्यू. नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज टाइम ऑफ रीपेमेंट. इन डिबेंचर सर्टिफिकेट it is clearly mentioned as just a first point we have seen a promise कि कंपनी क्या कर रही है, प्रॉमिस कर रही है किसको, डिबेंचर होल्डर को, कि आफ्टर सम पीरियड ऑफ टाइम आई विल गिव योर अमाउंट. सो दैट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, that is time of repayment. Time of repayment is mentioned in the debenture certificate that after 5 year, after 2 year, after 3 year we will pay back your amount. Okay, so debenture are issued with the due date stated in the debenture certificate. Due date is mentioned in the debenture certificate. The principal amount of debenture is repaid on the maturity date. Whatever will be the maturity date comes after 3 years, on that date company has to pay amount to the debenture holder. Next point is priority of repayment. If in case company dissolve, अगर company dissolve हो रही है, at the time of dissolution company should give first priority to the debenture holder or the creditor or the liability holder. So here debenture holder are the liability holder, so we have to give the priority to the debenture holder. So debenture holder have a priority of repayment of capital over the other calamities of the other clients of the company. दैट मीन्स कोई भी सिचुएशन हो, चाहे कंपनी को लॉस हो या कंपनी डिजॉल्व हो रही हो, वाइंडिंग अप हो कंपनी का, सो फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी शुड गिव्स टू डिबेंचर होल्डर ओनली. ओके, नाउ एश्योरेंस ऑफ पेमेंट. नेक्स्ट फीचर इज एश्योरेंस ऑफ पेमेंट, repayment. Debenture holder have very assured that their amount will never goes anywhere because they are taking any asset of the company as a security. उनके पास क्या है, कंपनी का कोई ना कोई असेट सिक्योरिटी के तौर पे होता है. सो दे आर एश्योर, उनको ये पता है कि हमारी कंपनी का हमारा पैसा कहीं पर जाने वाला नहीं है. सो एश्योरेंस ऑफ रीपेमेंट कि कंपनी हमें क्या देने वाली है, पैसा दे के ही रहेगी बिकॉज क्या है, उनका सिक्योरिटी उनके पास की गई है. डिबेंचर कॉन्स्टिट्यूट लॉन्ग टर्म डेट, दे कैरी द एश्योरेंस ऑफ रीपेमेंट ऑन ड्यू डेट. एक डिबेंचर क्या होता है, लॉन्ग टर्म डेप होता है, लॉन्ग टर्म की उधारी होती है और उनको ये एश्योरेंस होता है कि कंपनी क्या करेगी, आफ्टर सम पीरियड ऑफ टाइम कंपनी विल गिव अमाउंट टू देम ओनली. ओके, नेक्स्ट फीचर इज इंटरेस्ट. As we know, shareholders are get some rate of returns. Same in debenture case, when a person gives amount to the firm, so firms give a fixed rate of interest to debenture holder. You have might seen in 11th standard you have studied in BK, as you have seen 10% debenture. Have you seen? Have you heard this word 10% debenture, 15% debenture? That rate of debenture is an interest rate. That means that particular debenture getting the 15% or the 10% fixed rate of interest every month. Okay, so a fixed rate of interest is agreed and paid periodically in case of debenture payment or interest fixed liability. It might be paid by the company in respect of facts or at lump sum. Got it? So next feature is parties of debenture. Parties of debenture, company, who will be the parties of debenture? That means कौन डिबेंचर होल्डर हो सकते हैं. वेरी फर्स्ट कंपनी क्या कर रही है, उधार ले रही है. सेकेंड, ट्रस्टी, अ कंपनी हैज़ टू अपॉइंट अ डिबेंचर ट्रस्टी. कंपनी क्या करना चाहिए, इन केस कंपनी के ट्रस्टी मेंबर हैं, सो इन दैट केस कंपनी ऑफर अ डिबेंचर ट्रस्टी. डिबेंचर होल्डर मोर देन 500 एंड डील विद द डिबेंचर. और वो किससे डील करेंगे, सिर्फ डिबेंचर होल्डर से डील करेंगे. द कंपनी मेक्स द एग्रीमेंट विद ट्रस्टी, इट इज़ नोन एज ट्रस्ट डीड एंड इट कंटेन्स द ऑब्लिगेशन ऑफ कंपनी, राइट्स ऑफ डिबेंचर होल्डर और द पावर ऑफ ट्रस्टी. दैट मीन्स इस डिबेंचर होल्डर में कितने लोग, डिबेंचर्स में कितने लोग इन्वॉल्व होते हैं. पहले तो कंपनी, क्योंकि कंपनी ने क्या किया है, उधार लिया है, प्रॉमिस किया है कि वो क्या करेगी, अमाउंट पे करेगी. सेकेंड, इसमें आते हैं हमारे ट्रस्टी मेंबर्स. ट्रस्टी मेंबर्स, अगर ट्रस्टीज हैं हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के, तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के मेंबर्स क्या करेंगे हमारे, they will make a committee of 500 shareholders or more than 500 shareholders and they will treat a debenture holders matter only. They will deal only debenture holders matter. So all the decisions, all the powers, it will be hands of trustee. And the debenture holder are the party who provides a loan or receives the debenture certificate as a evidence. Next feature is authority to issue a debenture. Which company issues a debenture? So, and who will having authority to issue the debenture? Authority to issue a debenture. Who has authority to issue a debenture? So, according to Companies Act 2013, Section 179(3), subsection 3, the Board of Director has a power to issue a debenture. Only Board of Director has power to issue a debenture in a company, and both the company can issue the debenture, private company as well as public company. Next feature is status of debenture. Status of debenture. As we know, the shareholder having the state of owners. Shareholders are the owner, a real owner, risk bearer of the company. So what will be the status of debenture holder? So debenture holder is a creditor of the company. Debenture holder is a creditor holder of the company. Since debenture is a loan taken by the company, interest is payable on it at a fixed rate at fixed interval until debenture is redeemed. मतलब कि डिबेंचर होल्डर क्या है, एक तरह डिबेंचर क्या है, एक तरह का लोन है जिसपे हमें क्या देना है, फिक्स रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट देना है एट अ फिक्स इंटरवल, एक फिक्स स्पेसिफिक पीरियड के लिए, टिल द डिबेंचर रिडीम, जब तक हम उसको पूरा पे नहीं कर देते. So status of debenture holder is creditor of the company. Next feature, no voting rights. Debenture, as we know, the debenture holder are the creditor of company. So debenture holders are never involved in any working routine of the business or the organization. So according to section 71 of subsection 2 of Companies Act 2013, no company shall issue any debenture carrying any voting rights. Debenture have no rights to at a general meeting. Debenture holders can't attend the meetings, can't interfere in any matter of their company. Only he is a loan holder or the creditor holder of the company. No voting rights to debenture holder. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज सिक्योरिटी. जैसे कि हमने कहा कि फर्स्ट ही क्या है, हमने जब डेफिनेशन पढ़ी, एविडेंस ऑफ इनडेप्टनेस. एविडेंस ऑफ इनडेप्टनेस मीन्स इट्स अ प्रूफ. वो प्रूफ है अंडर अ सिक्योरिटी ऑफ कंपनीज असेट. सी सिक्योरिटी डिबेंचर आर जनरली सिक्योर्ड बाय फिक्स एंड फ्लोटिंग चार्ज on the assets of the company. If company is not in a position to make a payment of interest or the payment of capital, the debenture holder can sell the charged property of the company and recover their amount. Debenture holders are giving an amount to company by securing some asset of company. If companies are not in a position to pay back their amount, so they can sell their property of the business company and then take their own amounts. Understood? That is security. Next is issuers. Debentures can be issued by both company as well as public company, private as well as public company. Debenture can be leased with at least one recognized stock exchange, and those company, whether public or private, those are issuing debenture, that company should list in the stock exchange that we are issuing these number to this number debenture from our company. Transferability. Debenture has a transferability property or the feature. A person can transfer from debenture to shareholder. That means if a person don't want to be the creditor holder of the company, he or she is interested to be a member of the company, so they can transfer the debenture into share. So debenture has a transferability feature. It can be easily converted into share. Okay, here we have completed features of debenture. Now we have to see types of debenture. Next topic is types of debenture. Debentures have many types and it is classified on the basis of security, on the basis of transfer, on the basis of repayment, and on the basis of conversion. One by one we will see. Very first on the basis of security. On the basis of security मतलब कुछ चीज़ हमने क्या किया है, अपनी एसेट, कंपनी की कुछ एसेट सिक्योर किया है. सो देयर आर टू टाइप्स, सिक्योर्ड डिबेंचर एज वेल एज अनसिक्योर्ड डिबेंचर. सिक्योर्ड डिबेंचर, एज द वर्ड सिक्योर्ड मीन्स कुछ प्रॉपर्टी हमने क्या किया, अपनी प्रॉपर्टी मॉर्गेज किया है, सिक्योरिटी दिया है. So debentures can be secured. The property of company may be charged as a security for loan. The security may be for some particular asset. It may be asset in journal or floating charge, or debenture are secured through the trust deed. सिर्फ ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमने कोई asset ही गिरवी रखा है, और we can prepare a trust deed amongst. हमने क्या किया है, कुछ conditions रखी कि हमने अगर पे नहीं किया तो that trust deed is मीन्स कुछ एग्रीमेंट्स किए हैं हम दोनों ने, डिबेंचर होल्डर ने और कंपनी ने. तो इसको कहते हैं सिक्योर डिबेंचर, जिसमें क्या किया गया है, कुछ असेट, कुछ एग्रीमेंट्स को क्या किया है, सिक्योरिटी के तौर पर रखा गया है. सेकेंड, अनसिक्योर्ड डिबेंचर. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सिक्योरिटी में नेक्स्ट टाइप आती है अनसिक्योर्ड डिबेंचर, जिसमें कोई चीज़ की सिक्योरिटी नहीं है. देयर आर द डिबेंचर दैट हैव नो सिक्योरिटी. The issue of unsecured debenture is now prohibited by the Companies Act 2013. Now, the unsecured debenture never issued by any company after 2013. जब अमेंडमेंट हुआ इंडियन कंपनीज एक्ट 1956 में, अमेंडमेंट हुआ 2013 में, तो उस 13 के रूल से ये है कि अब कोई भी कंपनी क्या नहीं करेगी, अनसिक्योर्ड डिबेंचर इशू नहीं करेगी. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ट्रांसफर. जैसे मैंने बताया, डिबेंचर होल्डर आर easily transfer from debenture to share. So on the basis of transfer, there is a type registered and bearer debenture. Registered debenture. Registered debenture are those debenture on which name of holder are recorded. A company maintains a registered debenture in which the name, address and the particular of holdings of debenture holders are recorded, entered. The transfer of registered debenture requires acquisition of regular transfer deed. अब जब रजिस्टर्ड डिबेंचर को ट्रांसफ़र करना है तो उसके लिए हमको पूरा प्रोसीजर जो फॉलो करना होगा, द प्रोसीजर विच इज़ रिटन इन अ डीड, जो डीड में लिखा हुआ है, पार्टनरशिप डीड में, वो पार्टनरशिप का एग्रीमेंट में लिखा हुआ है, वो डीड को हम लोग क्या करना होगा, फॉलो करना होगा अंडर अ रजिस्टर्ड डिबेंचर. रजिस्टर्ड डिबेंचर में, अंडर रजिस्टर्ड डिबेंचर, register of debenture is maintained. In that register, name of debenture holder, address of debenture holder and all the details of debenture holders are written. So when registered debenture transferred, so we have to follow the procedure which is mentioned in a deed. Next is bearer debenture. Bearer debenture, name of the holder are not recorded in a bearer debenture. Their name do not appear on a register of debenture holders. यहाँ पर डिबेंचर होल्डर्स की नेम रजिस्टर ऑफ डिबेंचर होल्डर में लिखे हुए नहीं होते. सच डिबेंचर आर ट्रांसफर बाय मियर डिलीवरी, मतलब ईजिली क्या हो सकते हैं, ट्रांसफ़र किया जा सकता है क्योंकि नाम मेंशन नहीं है. सपोज आई वांट टू शेयर माय डिबेंचर टू अदर पर्सन, सो ईजिली आई कैन शेयर माय डिबेंचर टू अदर पर्सन. Payment of interest is made means of coupon attached to debenture. Is under bearer debenture, payment of interest is issued by the debenture coupon, debenture interest coupon. Through that coupon, bearer debenture holder can get the interest. We have seen the classification of debenture on the basis of security, on the basis of transfer. Now next is on the basis of repayment. Repayment, redeemable or irredeemable debenture. Redeem, at the time of maturity company pays the amount, that is called redeem. Irredeemable, that means they want to continue, so that is called irredeemable. So on the basis of repayment we have two type, redeemable debenture or irredeemable debenture. Redeemable debenture are mostly payable at the time of some fixed period or the maturity date which is mentioned in debenture certificate. Repayment can be made at a fixed date, at the end of a specific period or installment during the lifetime of the company. The provision of repayment is normal made in trust deed, and what the procedure which is written in trust deed, that we have to follow for the redeem of debenture. And what are the irredeemable debenture? These kind of debenture are not repayable during the lifetime of company. पूरा पेबल नहीं होता है during the lifetime of company. They are repayable only after the liquidation of the company. When company is liquefied, when company dissolve, winding up, so when there is a breach of any condition, when some contingency arises, under any contingency arises, any circumstances or any situation occurs which cannot control by the business or the which cannot handle by the company, so in that case we can give amount of redeemable debenture. And the last is on the basis of conversion, that is debenture converted into shares. So we have convertible debenture as well as non-convertible debenture. Convertible debenture gives right holder to convert the debenture into equity share after some specific period of time. Suppose I am the debenture holder of the company and I am taking a debenture for 3 years. I have given an amount as a debenture holder for 3 years. But after 3 years, I want to remain in the company as an owner of the company, as a shareholder of the company. So I contribute my amount, but not as a debenture holder, as a equity shareholder for after my completion of debenture holders period. So such right is mentioned in the debenture certificate under in convertible debenture. This issue of convertible debenture must be approved by special resolution in journal. If company wants to issue a convertible debenture to any person, so company should take a special meeting. Company should pass a special resolution under a journal meeting, and after that company can issue a convertible debenture to the general public. Debenture are advantageous for the holder because thus conversion right convertible debenture entitled to equity share at a low rate which is more than market rate. Okay. Now non-convertible debenture. Non-convertible debenture they do not have any right to convert that debenture into equity share till the maturity of their period. That these debentures are redeemed only the maturity date. These debentures suffer from the disadvantage. There is no appreciation in the value. So here we completed our borrowed capital first topic, debentures and features of debenture as well as types of debenture. Hope you understood. If you have any